So now we are moving towards the third floor of this academic building, and we are using the staircase number 1. This is the third floor of the academic building. It is again the same architecture in each of the floors. We have a big circulation area in the center, and we have the lift there. And next to this we have a housekeeping area and notice boards, as in each of the floors. Coming to next, we have a classroom named as classroom number 1, third floor classroom number 1. Again same facility, 60 seating capacity, equipped with a projector, AC, whiteboard, podium and internet connectivity. So next to this, we have a small staff room here, and we have third floor classroom number 2. So in this again 60 capacity, equipped with projector, air conditioning, and from here we can have a view of the campus also. We can have a clear view from this, the part of the campus where we can see our administrative building and the parking area. If you come this side, we can have a view of the campus from top floor. It is again the same architecture. We have come with the help of staircase number 1, and this is staircase number 2, which goes and exits towards the admin building, equipped with firefighting. In each of the floors, as per the direction of Directorate of Fire Service, we have also installed firefighting extinguishers. Now we are moving towards the lab. Which is computer lab 3. So this is computer lab 3, and I would like to request Mr. Riyad Hussain to please explain what are the facilities available in this lab.
Thank you, sir. Hello and welcome. So myself, Riyad Hussain. I'm a teacher of computer science on this NIELIT Agartala college. So basically right now we are in computer lab 3. It has 24 number of Dell desktop computers with some specification. So first talk about the hardware specification, like they have i7 microprocessor with the average speed of 3.60 GHz with 8 GB RAM. Then 500 GB hard disk. Then after that, about the software specification, the operating system is Windows 10 operating system. So this lab is totally dedicated to academic classes, for practical classes like Java, advanced Java, then C, data structure, C++, operating system, then DBMS, advanced DBMS. So to do so, we are using different kind of software tools, compilers, platforms, like for Java and advanced Java, we are using JDK and NetBeans. Just you can show. So this is the NetBeans, the version of 8.0.2. So this is for Java and advanced Java. So on the right side, you can see the Oracle 11G is running. This is for DBMS and advanced DBMS because it have integrated SQL Plus for advanced DBMS. So for operating system, there is a virtual machine is running where Ubuntu operating systems are installed. You can see there, Ubuntu. The version is Ubuntu GNOME. So except the academic classes, academic practical classes, so according to the MoE in between NIELIT and IECT, we are also organized during summer and winter industrial training based on the norms of EETP for Android programming, then Python, then Java. So that's all. Thank you.
So this was the computer lab 3 that we have just completed. Moving towards the next lab on the left hand side of computer lab 3 is our computer lab 4. So here we are in computer lab 4. So I would like to again request Mr. Riyad to explain what are the facilities available in this lab.
Okay, so it's again me. So this is computer lab 4 and it have 14 number of Dell desktop computer with the same configuration. Then only the RAM is 4 GB, but all other things they are left to same. And the special thing is, in this lab there is a 10 Apple desktop computer. So about their specification, they have 4 GB RAM, i5 microprocessor with 1.60 GHz speed average. And about the software, the operating system version is running Mac OS Mojave. Then so this 10 desktop computer, they are specially used for one of the diploma practical classes, that is for multimedia. For that, we are installing the Adobe official, means the original version have installed for doing the Photoshop, Adobe Flash. So I'm just for showing Adobe Photoshop and the Flash player. They have opened. Just 1 second. So this is the Adobe Photoshop CS6, the version 10. They're very good for doing this kind of practical classes like multimedia, Photoshop, designing. So this is related to academic of diploma, practical class. And about these two lab actually, lab 3 and lab 4, they have also the smart projector. You can show there is a smart projector is already running. Smart projector for better understanding during the practical class, and also have the air condition facility. So that is for the computer lab 4. Thank you so much.
So this was the computer lab 4. From this location, we can have a view of our workshop this side. which is right in between the admin and the academic block. So this has been our computer lab 4, which is in 3rd floor of our academic building. Same architecture. This is the washroom facility and drinking water. And we have a classroom which is having 60 capacity sitting arrangement, equipped with a projector and air conditioning, podium, internet connectivity. So this is classroom in 3rd floor. Next to this, we have the last room of our 3rd floor, which is a classroom. Again, same thing, 60 capacity classroom, equipped with projector, air conditioning, internet facility, podium, whiteboard. So with this we have almost come to the end of the facilities in the 3rd floor of the academic block. We started from this location in the staircase number 1, and then we have moved clockwise and we have reached to this location. Now this is the last floor of this academic building, and on top of that we have our solar facilities which are being installed. So next we will be moving towards the staircase number 2, and we will see the solar facility available in our campus. Please. So this is the other side where we have seen the staircase number 2, and if you move up we can see the solar facility which is installed on rooftop of this academic building. So this is the rooftop. Now I would like to request Mr. Surojit to explain what is the facility available in our campus as far as solar facility is concerned about.
We have a solar power plant, which is actually on-grid solar power plant of 93 kilowatt. So we have installed this 93 kilowatt power plant on 3 parts. So first part, this is the first part. So here we can see we have multiple number of panels which are being installed in this floor, and here we have generating 60 kilowatt of power, and these are on-grid power plants. So let's move. Here we have the control room, where we are installed all the other interfaces related to that solar power plant. So each panels actually they are the specification of each panel, it is 300 volt generation capacity of 300 volt. come this side. Here we have the main part, that is the inverter. The AC inverter is there, where we are converting the AC into DC, and the mix up of the AC voltage and DC voltages basically happen on this particular panel. It is a digitally controlled inverter, and this is the AC/DP box, where the generation from the AC generation from the solar and the main ACs are combined together. And here we have an additional interface. By using this, we can monitoring the generation by using our mobile phone also. So we have a login ID. So by using that, we can check our daily generation, our losses, everything we can measure from here. Now the other two parts of this particular project, we are shifted due to the space constraint. We are shifted the other 33 kilowatt of power plant to our girls hostel. So here you can see these are the remaining part of the project, which is having 33 kilowatt of power capacity, and each building we have the separate inverter of 15 kilowatt. So, and we have also the net metering facility, which is placed on our main power supply office.
These are the facilities we have seen in the academic block top floor. So now we will be looking, as we are on top of this academic building, we can have a view of the residential section or area of our campus. Please move towards this side. So now we are on top of our academic building, and from here we can have a view of our residential area. You can see on the left hand side there is a hostel which is 75 bedded. It is for girls. Next to this we have two type 3 quarters. Next to this on the right hand side we have two type 1 quarters, and extreme right we have our boys hostel, which is again 75 bedded. So the approach road towards the same is in the front location of the campus. There is a road which connects, and as well as there is a pathway which connects from academic building to the residential areas. So now we are standing in the second staircase of our academic block. We are in the ground floor. So from this we will show the exit towards the admin block as well as the workshop area of our campus. So this is the pathway towards our admin block and as well as the workshop. As you can see, this is the main entrance of our campus, and from that right hand side we have moved to the academic block. Now we have come out of the academic block, and on the right hand side we have our admin block, and in between the academic block and the admin block we have a pathway which reaches to our engineering workshop. So we'll move to the engineering workshop now.